Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. We are unboxing our May 2021 Glossybox. This is the summertime box. It just showed up and we're gonna sit down, we're gonna unbox it, talk about how you can get this box for $16. So before we jump in to all of that information, what is in the May Glossybox? Quick disclaimer, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play in makeup, talk all things makeup, beauty, skincare, whatever it may be. And remember, it all washes off. It's not that serious. Let's keep it cute or put it on mute. Let's go ahead and jump on in. This is the May 2021 Let the Sun Shine Summer Box with Glossybox. Now, this did just arrive, and in the box there was a $25 gift card to Velvet Eyewear. So that is the first item we are seeing. And as always, I have to always give a huge shout out to Glossybox because I absolutely love how their boxes are cute, they're regiftable, they're fun. By the way, they did send this over to me complimentary to unbox and review for you all. So when we open it up, the packaging, it always gets me. And I love yellow. As much as I love pink, I love yellow. I'm a Gemini baby. My birthday, it's coming into my birthday month here soon, June 8th. Where's my Geminis? Leave me the Gemini emoji down below with a yellow or a pink heart, whatever. I don't know. I'm being bossy. My bad. Okay, so opening it up, it says, "Let the sun shine." And then when you open this up, it does have information about everything that we're seeing in the box. Now, keep in mind, when it comes to Glossyboxes, it is a monthly subscription. I do believe your first box, you can get it for $16 using my link and code down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just a way for you to save some money. But after that, I believe it goes to $21, and you do get deluxe size samples and some full size items in here as well sometimes. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here's the first full-size item we are seeing in here, and this is by Earth Harbor. Now, I have to say, we've been seeing a lot of Earth Harbor lately in subscription boxes, which I'm totally okay with. This is a natural type of brand. I love everything they stand for. They're plant-based, they have no GMOs, they're vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added. They always make small batches, and it is a woman-owned brand. You know how I feel about woman-owned entrepreneurs. I always talk about Martha over at The Good Candle. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I will have a link down below if you are interested in doing a little candle shopping. She also has car diffusers, oils, all kinds of things over there. And like I said, we're all about supporting women-owned brands. Lift them up, baby. So anywho, this is the HAILEY'S, I don't know. It's the anti-pollution youth pulley, and we have a full-size product. And I always like the bottles. I always think they're really cute. I'm an aesthetic type of person. It's absolutely ridiculous, but look how pretty that is. Now, this is one that I want to say maybe last year I had received in a subscription box, so I have tried this and I love it. I love Earth Harbor products. They're just really good products. So moving on to a little information about this product and the retail value. This does have a retail value of $48. Now keep in mind, your first box, $16. After that, I believe it's the $21. So you've already made your money back just in this one product. This is the anti-pollution youth pulley, and it's unparalleled in strength for combating pollutants and daily skin stressors. This pulley, it is a necessity for the skin in need of after sun replenishment. I don't know why words aren't coming out of my mouth. Are we surprised? Not really. Not really. Okay, so the next item in here, this is one I'm not very familiar with. This is a thermal water. What? This is what it looks like. So y'all, if you've tried this, let me know. It's 1.7 fluid ounces. It does say that This is the travel size version, so it's a $3.50 retail value. The full size is $12. This is a thermal water packaged directly at the source of the fresh Alps and filled with mineral salts. The skincare water is just what you need to moisturize, soothe, and protect your skin. It's perfect for those hot summer days ahead. Huh. Spray on your face and body as you want for a cooling hydration. Well, that's pretty interesting. Okay. The next item in here is another full-size product. This is by Be Your Incredible Self Nails Ink. And I don't see this on, actually do not see this on the cart. So I don't know how much this has a retail value for, but it's always nice to get, you know, cute little nail polish. It's really pretty. I mean, y'all know I said pink and yellow are my things. So really pretty color, perfect for spring, perfect for summer, and it is in the shade Blossom Kisses. The next item in here is by Aveda, and we know Aveda is a pricey brand. This is the Nutra-Plenish leave-in conditioner. Stop it, it's Monday, and I think the caffeine's starting to wear off, so be nice. Okay, so this has a retail value travel size of $12. The full size is $37. This is shield your hair from UV rays and heat damage with the 98% naturally derived formula, free from silicones and parabens and sulfate cleansers. It protects against the drying effects of the sun, leaving your hair nourished all day long. Absolutely love that. I mean, as important it is, in my opinion, to put sunscreen all over yourself, I like to protect my hair too, you know, especially since I do bleach it. Okay, so the next item in here, ooh, I love getting stuff like this. This is the mineral bath salt and Dream Away with essential oils. So this would be definitely a one-time type of use. This packet does have a retail value of $4. Full size would be $20. And this has valerian and hops mineral bath salt. And it's in the scent, I guess you could call it Dream Away. It says, after a busy day, nothing is better than pampering yourself in a bath. Have to agree with that. I'm all about Epsom salt baths. It does say that these are stress reliever salts. They promote better sleep thanks to the calming benefits of valerian essential oil. The pure, uncontaminated thermal spring salt cleanses and naturally detoxifies. Love that. And then the last item that I see in here is by Bella Pierre. And okay, so this isn't in the postcard either. That's interesting. But this is Stay Put Brow Gel in the shade Chestnut. So this is another full size product as well. So that is everything that is in my Let the Sun Shine box by Glossybox. Let me know y'all's thoughts down below. I definitely think for $16, this is definitely worth it. I tell you all the time, when I gift, I will put things in these boxes and just kind of gift it. And yes, I am that hoarder type of person. I will just keep the ribbon and put it on top of the box and call it a day. Easy, simple, love that. So if you are interested in signing up for Glossybox, check my description box down below for your discount code and a link to go ahead and sign up over there. What was your favorite product of the box? I can tell you I love the Earth Harbor Apuli, but I am definitely curious about the Aveda. This is the leave-in conditioner, and this has got me pretty intrigued. this thermal water, I've never tried something like that, so I'm definitely curious. If I didn't have more filming to do today, I'd spritz myself down. But I also have to film on my second channel, my vlog channel actually. I'm doing another Shein mid-size plus size haul over there, so definitely make sure to subscribe to my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. Check me out over on Instagram as well as on TikTok at HotmessMomma4. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys.